Retargeting Mixamo animation to AYMultiCharacter. With AYMultiCharacter version 2.0, it is very easy to retarget your Mixamo animation. Now, I have the AYMultiCharacter female here in this scene, and I would like to import the Mixamo animation that I already downloaded. So I'm just going to go to File, Import, FBX, and I'll go to the directory where this was downloaded. So that's the Chapa Giratoria. So I like to just check on Ignore Leaf Bone, Automatic Bone Rotation, and Import. Now it's imported, but I'm going to go to the animation scene so I can see it clearly and push it a bit to the side. Now this animation was gotten from the Xbot, that's Mixamo's Xbot character, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to hit on the play button. So it's just a character throwing a kick. Now to make my own character do the same thing by retargeting, I'm just going to select the AY female controls. Now I can't select it because I need to uncheck that lock object mode, so just select it now, and you want to go down to the animation tab. So this is the animation tab, and I need to collapse that Mixamo retargeting. So collapse Mixamo retargeting, and from here you want to select the Mixamo rig, and once the Mixamo rig is selected, all you want to do is attach Mixamo rig. But before I attach Mixamo rig, I would like to hide all these because they're kind of distracting, and even the camera. Now the scene is cleaner. So going back to the AY control, and I want to scroll down to Mixamo retargeting, and I just selected the rig, and I'm going to click on attach. So as soon as I did that, you can see my character is attached to Mixamo. That easy and fast. So that's my character doing the kick. Alright, now from here, I like to bake the animation because I want to delete the Mixamo rig. So I'm just going to transfer the FK and IK information as well, so that I won't have any issues when I'm switching from IK to FK. So I have that checked, and bake animation. So I'm just going to wait for a few seconds for the animation to be baked. And once it's done, I can delete my Mixamo rig, and then I'll have my baked animation. Now the bake is done, and I can easily delete my armature, delete hierarchy, and see. Now my character is giving that deadly kick.